Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I will show you how to see WhatsApp deleted messages. So guys, if you're using iPhone or Android device and want to see your deleted messages on your device, I will help you. How can you do this? So let's get started without wasting any time. First of all, you need to make sure that you have connected with strong internet connection, and after this, if you're using iPhone, you need to open App Store, and if you're using Android device, you need to open Play Store, and here you need to search WhatsApp. And guys, from here you need to check for update. If your app is not updated, then you need to update your app, and after doing update you need to go back. So guys, now simply you have to open your WhatsApp. So guys, as you will see here, you have to click on settings, and guys, now you need to scroll it down, and from here guys, you will see the option of chats. Click on it, and now you will see multiple options here. From here guys, simply you have to click on chat backup, and guys, you need to download all the backup if you have uploaded. And guys, if you have not uploaded any backup on your Apple ID or on your iCloud or on your Gmail, then guys, simply you have to click on export chat, and guys, you need to select any chat in which you want to see deleted messages, and you can select attached media. And guys, this chat you need to select on your or you need to download this chat in your iPhone, or you can share this chat on your own number. And guys, after this you can easily see all the deleted chats from your WhatsApp. And guys, if these are methods are not working properly, then no need to worry. You have to open your chats tab again, scroll it down, and from here you need to move your chats. If you have another iPhone device, then you need to select second one, and if you have another Android device, then you need to select first one, and you need to move that deleted chat. And guys, after moving or transferring, you will be able to see all the deleted messages. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.